Simulation-based analysis of routing protocols in MANETs, INSUM, AODV, and DSDV performance review. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Mobile ad hoc networks MANETs exemplify a dynamic and decentralized communication framework, enabling devices to form network connections spontaneously, thereby rendering them especially appropriate for situations with infrastructural limitations. The efficacy of MANETs is heavily influenced by the selected routing protocol and the density of network nodes. This chapter provides a thorough analysis of three significant routing protocols: the Intermediate Node Traffic Sharing Model, INSUM, Ad hoc On-Demand Distance Vector, AODV, and Destination Sequence Distance Vector, DSDV, across different node density scenarios. This study encompasses comprehensive simulations and performance assessments inside the NS2 simulation framework to evaluate the efficacy of different routing protocols under varying node density conditions. The essential performance parameters, such as packet delivery ratio, end-to-end delay, network throughput, and routing overhead, across various node densities were examined. Through a comprehensive comparison, it was intended to offer significant insights into the behavior of these protocols and their adaptation to dynamic network settings. The study in this chapter elucidates the performance of INSUM, AODV, and DSDV routing protocols amid variations in node density inside the NS2 simulation environment, providing essential insights for the optimal selection of protocols for certain MANET implementations. Moreover, this research study highlights the significance of accounting for network dynamics and diverse node populations in the design and optimization of mobile ad hoc communication systems, particularly when employing simulation tools such as NS2 for assessment and analysis. Introduction. Mobile ad hoc networks, MANETs, are wireless systems that allow devices to connect and communicate without relying on fixed infrastructure like Wi-Fi routers. They're especially useful in emergency situations, remote areas, and fast-changing environments where traditional networks aren't available. This study explores how different communication methods, called routing protocols, perform when the number of connected devices, node density, changes. We tested three popular protocols, INTSM, AODV, and DSDV, using computer simulations to see how well they delivered data, how fast they were, and how much network effort they required. By analyzing their performance in both sparse and crowded setups, we provide helpful insights for anyone building or managing such networks. Our goal is to help make MANETs more reliable and efficient so they can better support critical communication needs in real-world situations like disaster response and military operations. Conclusion. This study compares three wireless communication methods, INTSM, AODV, and DSR, used in mobile ad hoc networks, MANETs, where devices connect without relying on fixed infrastructure. Using computer simulations, the research tested how these methods perform as the number of connected devices changes. INSUM consistently delivered better results, with more reliable data delivery, faster communication, and fewer delays, even though it required slightly more network effort. These findings are important for people setting up MANETs in real-world situations like emergency response or remote operations. The study shows that INTSM is a strong, adaptable option that works well in both crowded and less populated networks. It also highlights how simulation tools can help evaluate network performance and guide better decisions in system design. Overall, INTSM proves to be a dependable choice for building efficient and reliable wireless networks in our fast-moving, connected world. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.